This training is ready as well. Okay, I think we can start. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session. Today I plan to finish or almost finish to talk about Java database connectivity. Someone else wants to join? Christina. Okay. So yeah, the idea is to finish or almost finish this one today, and tomorrow, let's see, maybe we'll take a new topic or we'll go through the existing one, but or topics already taken. But today I maybe want to start with your questions. Yeah, regarding that question from Zana, which is common question for those who use, as I understand, Linux. So yeah, if you have such warning, then basically please first of all check if it has any impact on the testing results, because since this is the warning, not the error message, in case it does not affect the execution of unit tests, then you can skip it. Otherwise, if you have any issues with it, so let's check. But yeah, since I would like to ask first of all for you, do you have any issues with the unit tests? I mean, are there any errors? Which, yeah, of course, it's probably that something is maybe something is not ready with the code, then the unit tests are not green. But I mean, you have any specific issues? No, okay, just usual. This issue is maybe, but maybe not. In case you continue to getting such issues, or these issues are somehow, I mean, issues which make no sense. That's okay. I think you can send maybe to me. I will check it on my computer. Then let's see. Yeah. If these issues are the ones you cannot really understand, yeah, why they're happening. Otherwise, yeah, let's maybe just ignore this warning. Actually, in programming, in most cases, not in most, but at least half of the cases, you'll need to skip the warnings. Yeah, because it's usually warnings are just the thing that warns you about something. But programmers usually like to just simply ignore them. So yeah, that's. Please try to skip them. Ignore them. If not, then let's see. Okay, there are more questions. Maybe today I would like to start with questions because just because the deadline of the homework is coming, so I hope that we can manage to discuss all the questions before it. Okay, so again, the first question comes from Svetlana. You mentioned that's issue in get item set method. Set query how to implement. Iterator, so use simple for loop this way. Okay, so that's the iterator comes from the class of orders. At least it should. And this is method set orders. That was okay. That was this step. So okay, let's see how else I wanna get it. Come on, let me open it. Set it to 0.9. Okay, so to set orders, okay, you create a set tree. Okay, you can create the set tree. So is the with it? Okay. So yeah, first of all, you create a new object, which is correct. Then you set as an object, which is correct. Then yeah, you can simply use the loop, for loop. Then go through every order. Every order from the list of orders, yes. From the list of orders. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, then you go through all these orders and you simply check the name. Yeah, this may be a little bit tricky. So yeah, to get item set. The method get item set, which basically has this one. So basically, the idea is that yes, that's correct. That you use for cycle. For loop, that's correct, but you only need one. So basically, maybe let's have a little example here, just showing how we usually do it. Maybe I'll try to create a similar example. Then I hope you get some. Just do something like that. So I hope you can manage to get some points here. Okay, maybe I'll create a class to have the similar example here. Kind of similar example. So you create a class, maybe class book, for example. Then the book has, let's keep them to not use the encapsulation. I will just simply declare all of them public to make it faster. And of course, okay, maybe let's encapsulate them to have more clear private string. Private name and private integer year published. Okay, using the constructor, I can provide all these parameters. String, integer here. So I will simply create the object. So what I'm showing now, this is the common, not this one, but what I will show here. This will be the common way to process some sequential items where we need to you check the previous item, like have the list. You need to check the previous one, you will most likely need it. Okay, maybe let's create some box here. Let's have set of box. So now let's have tree set. Import the type, and here we need to declare that. So now we declare the list. Yes. Then we can add some object inside this list. So let's add the new book here. Some new books. And so oh jeez, I'm not so good at literature. Okay, maybe so famous book, J.K. Rowling. Maybe the first one which comes to my mind. Rowling, I hope the name is correct. J.K. Rowling. Then the name of Harry Potter. It's just the first one I can imagine. The year published, that would be 1997. Okay, maybe you can give me some advice for the books, if you know, because I'm really not so good at literature. Yeah, 10 points for Gryffindor. Okay, so it's new books here. Sun and no, it's yeah, Harry Potter's really good. Yeah, that's a really good book. Good. What else? Was okay. Thanks, Svetlana. Okay, yeah, I think it's probably just like 3, 4. That's enough. Not sure which year let it be. Kind of 30, 63. What of the rings? Let's be. Okay, yeah, the last one. That's the last one. Okay, so I will add the brackets correctly here. Okay, this one. Okay, let's actually compare. So okay, now we have the collection. We have the list, yeah, with the books, and now we can go through it. So yeah, we can create a cycle, and we can do it in this way. We find book, find first book, then yeah, book in the book set. And here oh yeah, that's fine. So yes, and for now we need to maybe we need to just maybe let's add some, maybe another parameter. Like what would be category? Yeah, maybe public private category, not category, but maybe what would be kind of category? Yeah, it won't make any category, then yeah, that will be as the first one. Category. And yeah, maybe let's category like A, or no, maybe next kind of B. And this category B, let it be category A, maybe. Big category C. And what else we can do? We can, yeah, maybe let's create a category A. We simply want to have some common parameters. Maybe let's have B here. And we can sort the collection. Okay, I think it should be sorted. Just one small check. Let's spread it out. See how it is. How the elements are stored here. So that will be easier for us to also. I don't really want to run the server. One moment. So yeah, that's I just have my internal setup. That's why I need to some small installation. You don't need to do it, it's just for me. So no servers. I'm not sure why it okay, maybe it's like let's get the right one. No, okay, never mind. It's not needed now. Not sure why it wants me to run on server. That was how I just have my internal setup, and for some reason it asks me to run on server. Maybe I will need to. One moment. That's maybe that's the wrong Eclipse. Yeah, sorry. Just one moment. I will. Because I have two versions of Eclipses on my computer, and the one I use for different purpose. Maybe that was the wrong one. Let me check. I have some different setup there, and basically the way I execute something. Well, let me try to open a different one. Just one moment. Oops, it's running. Launch. Okay, it's starting. So it's installing OBS Studio. It reduces the performance of computer. Okay. Just open. Okay. So now it is here, and I hope that this one will work better. Let's see. Okay, now we can run it as job application. That's good. Okay, it's running, and we have exception cost. Yeah, that's really nice. Something here, yeah. So what's the problem? Looking at the cost to. Oh, okay, yeah, that's at least, yeah. We need to implement comparable, yeah. 3. Yeah, It's obviously is cancel. I don't need content consistent. Okay, comparable. Yeah, as you remember, you need to implement comparable clause to be able to use the maybe that let's not use the list or the set, let's use just simply the list, yeah, because that will be much more or less complicated here. Okay, let's import it. Okay, and here we have array list. So, okay, now it should work better. Okay, maybe during the break I will okay, I need to add the comparator. Okay. Okay, maybe let's not sort it now because maybe let's do it just simply this way. Imagine that it is already sorted, because that will take a lot more time for us to sort it, because I don't want really to spend time on this for now. And that's usually what's called in full screen. So yeah, we also need to implement method to string. 1 moment. Let's return. Also need to add Java. That was from different class. So. Okay, maybe I need to much more tricky, in your opinion, it will be to implement ensure to get me actually that won't be much more complicated. At the moment I have the complication that my Eclipse has some issues that it does not provide me some hints, some control space. Okay, maybe let me check one thing, because that will take some time if I give me a moment. Let's keep the category here. Just simply filter plus name. I will solve it during the break, but for now let's keep it like this. Okay. And basically what's the idea? The idea is that we want to count something. And just for count, maybe let me simply add another integer here, just again to implement some counting, and so yeah, again we go through the list, and what we can do, we can first of all we need to basically to count how much of the categories are here. Okay, maybe not. Let's not use it this way. Just let's maybe create another list. Yeah, so just to basically store the not list but map, and we'll use tree map. Okay. So basically, what we want to do here is to count how many categories are for each of the book. Not for each of the book, but how many entries are for each category. Just a simple example. Let's import map. Let's import tree map as well. So we have map. Yeah, we still need to implement comparable. Okay, that won't be easy without control space. Help. What else we can do? So we can do, okay, let's try to oh, okay, no, it won't be. I hope it won't be, yeah, it won't be complicated, because we have char here and we have the integer here. Okay. Java 1, I think it should be as well. Or not. No, that won't be jar, okay. Okay, maybe let's use the string, just simply here. It's not overcomplicated. Let's cover the number of categories, and we will create a new tree map. Tree map from the list string integer and here we can go through and simply count each of them. So what we can do, we can define, here we can define the previous book. So let's book previous. Then we can assign it to no at first. Yeah, we don't think we'll need to get the category as well. So let's create public share get category. This category. So I'll leave it. And here we can, first of all, we check if previous is known. Then we go to the next one. Go to the next one. Let's see, I will skip the first iteration. Oh, no, we don't skip, we do it this way. We assign the current one to the previous. And we go to the next iteration. Otherwise, if previous get category equals, that's the method, equals current one, get category, and what else we can do? Yeah, of course we can add the counter as well. So let's define int count. By default, let it be 0. Here we need to add count. So the count will be count plus 1. Since we want to increase, and we simply add the, so I have categories, and let's add, so that will be to string, so this is, yeah, use the current one, get category, this will get category, and the count, and that, I think that should be push, or, and what was the method for trim up? String, okay, so need to yeah, the category is maybe here we can use string, and problem with the type. So I need to convert it. Okay, maybe I need to restart the eclipse again. Let's maybe have the break now so I can do it, and after the break let's continue.